Let's build a simple electromagnetic train. Take a lengthy copper wire coil. Now take an AA battery. Now place 3 neodymium magnets on either side of the battery so that they stick to the battery. Now insert this battery from right end of the coil. Wow! You see an electromagnetic train that just passed through this coil. Let's do it again. You will notice that the train will only run in one direction because of the magnetic poles. Moral is, when you put the battery and magnet inside the copper coil, it causes electrical current to flow through the copper wire, creating a magnetic field in the section of the coil around the battery. This magnetic field has its own north and south poles which push the train along the track.